Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to draw and color Super Mario and Princess Peach. It's going to be so much fun. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, we draw Mario's eyes and his nose. Make a big circle on the outside and a small circle on the inside. Try to draw them evenly, kids. Remember, practice helps us get better and better. Now, let's draw his eyebrows. They help show his emotions. Next, draw his hair. Mario has thick brown hair, just like a classic hero. Now we draw his beard and his smiling mouth. A smile can make someone's day. Don't forget to smile every day. Time to draw his hat, Mario's famous red cap with the big letter M on it. Do you know what M stands for? That's right, Mario. Now draw his ears and his hands. Hands are important. We use them to help, to wave hello, and to create art just like this. Let's add a nice round frame around Mario. It makes the picture look even more complete. Now it's time to draw Princess Peach. Let's start with her sparkling eyes. Her eyes are full of kindness, just like a true princess who always cares for others. Next, we draw her pretty little nose and lovely lips. A kind heart and a gentle smile are what makes someone truly beautiful. Now let's draw her face and her long, flowing hair. On her head, she wears a shining crown. Do you know what a crown represents? It reminds us to be kind, brave, and take care of others, just like a royal leader. Let's draw her beautiful earrings too. Let's finish with a soft rounded frame around her too. That makes our drawing feel special. Now I'll take a big black pen to outline everything and make the picture pop. And now, the fun part, let's color together. work. Everyone, you're doing such a great job. And remember, drawing is not just fun. It also helps you focus, relax, and express your creativity. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so we can keep learning and having fun together. See you in the next video. Goodbye, little artists.